Hey, I just wanted to quickly jump on here and highlight an amazing journal article that's been recently published in Cancer Medicine, as in a couple of weeks ago published. The title of this article here is The Preclinical Effects and Mechanisms of Biofield Therapy on Pancreatic Cancer Cell Growth and Metastases. So to have an article like this and original research like this published in Cancer Medicine, where the conclusions are, and I will read them, I won't paraphrase. In conclusion, our data suggests that biofield therapy, i.e. energy therapy, used in these experiments exerted anti-tumor activity against pancreatic cancer cells. The in vitro studies suggest that biofield therapy modulates important cell cycle regulators such as FOXM1 and results in cell cycle arrest and cell hyperpolarization. Furthermore, it was shown for the first time that biofield therapy treatment alters mitochondria ultrastructure and has the potential, this is important, potential, we're not making wild claims here, but it's potential, and this is the door opening. The potential to reduce metastases of pancreatic cancer cells. Understanding the mechanisms responsible for the anti-metastatic activity of biofield therapy warrants further investigation. Now, it is known, particularly in oncology, in the suite of oncology, that biofield therapy, for example, Reiki, or healing touch and other biofield therapies do exert positive effects on patients, whether that be reduced anxiety, whether that be reduced stress, whether that be reduced pain. That is known, and in that essence, biofield therapy is considered complementary. Okay, and I think from as far as I'm concerned, biofield therapy is always and will always be complementary and work collaboratively with other therapies, and obviously, medicine and traditional Western medicine as well. So one does not negate the other. But what this particular article suggests is incredible. And it really is the door opening. Now, like any research and any articles, there are limitations, and there are mechanisms that are unknown. But that really is in any article, in any scientific research, you will always explore what is predicted, or what's your hypothesis, what are the gaps in knowledge, what are the gaps in research, and what are the limitations. So this is no different, but the fact that there is evidence to suggest that and to support the potential of biotherapy to influence growth and metastases of pancreatic cancer cells is incredible. So I will continue to work through this paper with my trusty highlighters. I am old school in that way, and I'll likely put up further information either on Instagram or on my website under my reflections page. This very much does sit in that intersection of science and energy, for me, science and soul. And as far as I'm concerned, this is the future of treatment. Collaborative, it is collaborative. One does not have to negate the other. They can coexist, and they should coexist. And in time, this work will become more and more integrated, and that is the goal.